Hey guys, welcome back to the High Homes YouTube channel. We are super proud to bring to you today, to our audience, the property tour of Casa Orquídea, one of the most impressive masterpiece grand residences in the world. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. First of all, where are we? We are in El Rojo Alto, one of the most amazing urbanizations located in La Quinta, and it's one of those prestigious locations that offer that privacy that you don't find anywhere. You're greeted in this house with this amazing entrance, this incredible facade, and greeted by something really special. Right there behind me, that right there is an 800-year-old olive tree that's been sort of brought here from Italy just for this house. Just to put things into perspective, that olive tree was around before Christopher Columbus discovered America. Isn't that crazy? Right here, we have our guest parking area, easy parking. There's garage that has a different access below, but we're gonna check that out in a moment. Let's check out the inside of this amazing house. Wow. Right, so the first thing is you're greeted by this incredible entrance. And let's talk here about credit. Let's give credit to the people behind this incredible property. Ames Arquitectos, led by Antonio Murillo, the ones that behind this amazing concept, and developed by Kasa's FinTech. We're talking about a property that has around 1,650 square meter built inside plus terraces. And this is all about the view. And I'm gonna tease you guys because I'm gonna show you the view in a moment, but this is absolutely insane. I mean, I've been in real estate since I'm 18 years old and I have never come across such an impressive property. But we'll keep that view for a moment. Let's check out this. This is exactly the open lounge. You know what this reminds me of? It's James Bond. This is James Bond all around. So this amazing open plan lounge is connected to the dining. You've got this beautiful gas fireplace, and look at this. This is a masterpiece within a masterpiece. This kitchen has been designed, every single small detail. Look at this stone. All the appliances are miele, and it's a perfect kitchen to entertain. And my God, look at the view. Everywhere you look, you've got an amazing, amazing view. Something you guys need to know is behind this kitchen, you have the chef's kitchen. So you've actually got two kitchens in this space. So let's check out the extension to the kitchen, because you've got this signature design kitchen, you've got the chef's kitchen behind, and then this amazing outdoor kitchen, and it sort of feels like you're in the same place. This is the outdoor kitchen with a very sort of similar stone. You've got the barbecue, and look at these views, guys. Like, that's insane. One of the most incredible views that I've ever seen. And this is just the lateral view. We're gonna see the frontal view in a moment. And just off the outdoor kitchen, you have this outdoor dining. And something which, in my opinion, is quite special is that this entire glass panel goes right into the wall. So you have a corner. I mean, just look at this. You have an entire corner that opens up. So if you have, your family over, someone's in the kitchen, someone's in the indoor dining, someone's in the outdoor dining, everything feels super connected. And that's something super special and a signature from Ames Arquitectos. So something super special about the property design that Antonio Murillo has incorporated is that all these windows that are paneled into the wall are actually automatic and controlled by domotic. Not only the windows, you can also control the entire lighting of the property on a domotic screen. So you don't actually need to reach out and press all different buttons. So super easy and comfortable living. And this is what it's all about. It's just such an impressive view. It just can't be described. You can literally see everything from Gibraltar, Africa, all of Andalusia, Marbella, Estepona, East Marbella, and then you've got the beautiful La Concha mountain. And no one looks into you. Like, it's a super private plot. There is zero people that can look into the property, and that's actually quite special for El Rojo. And it's also a property that offers incredible views in an incredible location and very easy, very quick to drive to amenities. Normally, if you want this sort of view, you have to be in La Zagaleta, in Madroñal, and it takes 15-20 minutes to get to life. Here, you're in the middle of it. Let's talk about outdoor space. This is what Ames Arquitectos have developed. They know that in Costa del Sol, in Malaga, and especially Marbella, it's about living outdoors the entire year. This property counts with over 600 square meters of beautiful terraces. And like I was saying, inside, the flow is great, and outside, the flow is fantastic too. It's a contemporary property, but it offers a lovely warmth to it. And that warmth is brought by the natural stone, the wood, the lighting, the vegetation. Every single thing is thought of. And that's something that makes this place so unique. It's time to see the rest of the house. But before we go in, let's talk about the plot size. This property is on a plot of 1,900 and something square meter, 1,900-ish. A great size in a great location. The property is distributed on 3 different floors. We've just seen the lounge, the kitchen, and this beautiful outdoor area. It's time to see the bedrooms. We're gonna go up and see the master bedroom, which is absolutely amazing. And I'm gonna take you downstairs and show you all the amenities that this property, Kasa Orquídea, has. Let's start here. So this here is one of the guest bedrooms on the lower floor. But check this out. Every single detail, every single piece of design is so thoughtful. This amazing view, access to the terrace, and of course, obviously ensuite. Lovely bathroom with a walk-in shower. Even from the shower, you enjoy a nice view. What else do you need to know? Here we have a secondary bedroom on the ground floor, also with an ensuite bathroom, and this beautifully well-decorated guest bathroom. So let's go and check the first floor. Let's go and check out the master bedroom. And to be able to access the master bedroom, we are greeted by this amazing signature staircase. And obviously, just next to the staircase, if you wanted to, you also have a lift that connects all floors. Look at this, nice, wide, beautiful design, nice lighting, stunning. So we're about to get to the crown jewel of the property. And this crown jewel is the master bedroom. Are you ready? And this is the jewel of the house. Look at this master bedroom. Like, this view gets me every time. You have this panoramic sea view. You can see Africa, you can see the mountain of Marbella, and look at this. It's like a dream come true. Getting an architect to design such a 70 square meter, that's what it is. It's a 70 square meter master bedroom with this ensuite bathroom that has a hidden door. We can close the whole thing for privacy, which is amazing. Everything, obviously, every single detail done to measure. This beautiful marble basin with the views, but that's just the start. Just behind here, we have this amazing closet. Plenty of closet space for him and for her and for him, whatever. But what's truly spectacular about this property is the outdoor space this master bedroom offers. Follow me. Right over here, you're greeted by a beautiful private chill out with a private jacuzzi that both enjoy this amazing view of the Marbella La Concha mountain. Isn't that absolutely amazing? But that's not all. We've seen the lifestyle this property offers. Now we're gonna be looking at how you work and how you relax in Kasa Orquídea. Let me take you downstairs. So this brings us to one of the most exciting parts of the house. The basement that in this house doesn't feel like a basement. Here we have a beautiful small lounge area with this lovely expose where you put your wine, your liquors, and we're gonna see the bar in a moment. But let me show you guys the garage. This is the garage. You have space for 6 cars. 3 here, 3 there, and you could park 1 here. But what's truly impressive about this garage is the ambience, the lighting. It's really soft to the eye, and as soon as you drive in, you're greeted by this open glass feature with the lighting, and it's sort of starting to give you a hint of what's inside. Let me show you what else this house has to offer and how you work from home without feeling you're at home. So we're back at this lovely lounge overlooking the wine cabinet, and this is the way you'll take to access the work quarters. The interior designer has done an amazing job at designing this office space. The moment you walk through those doors, you're just in a different place. The color of the walls, the ceiling, it sort of screams old money. And I can just imagine being so distracted with everything this house has to offer. This is the perfect place to concentrate. So you finished working and it's time to relax. And Kasa Orquídea offers some of the most amazing in-house amenities that you can find on the market. Follow me and let's have a look. Right this way. So on this basement level, we have 2 bedrooms plus a service quarter. In total, in Kasa Orquídea, you have 9 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. check out this bedroom. This is supposed to be a basement bedroom, and you have the most amazing sea view even from the -1. You wouldn't know you're in a basement unless I told you. So this right here is where you relax in Casa Orquídea. This is the games area, bar area, entertainment area. When you have your friends over or family, you've got a small TV area here. Still again with those amazing views. You've got a pool table, which is absolutely amazing. And something really special, just connected to this entertainment area, is this bar area. Check out this island made out of this unique marble. It's absolutely beautiful. There you have your day plan. After some nice cocktails with your family and friends, you'll come right this way and you can enjoy your private home cinema. Check this out. Is this stylish or what? This home cinema has panel acoustics all around. You have incredible surround systems, this massive screen, and it feels homely. Now, after you watch a movie with family and friends, what's next? I'll show you right this way. So this is the wellness center of the property. Check out the design, check out the layout. It's absolutely amazing. Is this a spa or what? So let's talk about the spa areas. Over there we have a hammam, a sauna, a massage area. Over here, toilets, showers, vanity units, and here a place that's prepared for a gym. And this way, this is what it's really about. A 10-meter long heated pool with your own relaxation area where you can enjoy the most amazing views of the Costa del Sol from your spa. That is something that is super unique. Right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please press that button, like this video, and drop any comments if you have any questions about Casa Orquídea. Thank you for watching.